You didn't hear me?
What's up, Z? I don't catch my attitude. What's up, Z Nation? What's up with my hair?
And you are unforgettable. And I'm so glad that I found you.
So I'm back again. My hair looked better the first time. Anyways, I'm gonna take my braids out anyway, so it don't even matter because they looking like this. But you know, we got a new intro. Y'all tell me how y'all like that in the comments. Anyways, we finna do a prank on Marika. We finna just be like, Mama, she died. She got in a car accident. We just gonna say a lot of stuff like that. He'll probably cry. So stuff like that. So I'm gonna make myself cry. Marika, come here.
Why are you pushing yourself?
Marika, come here. Come here, I gotta tell you something. I gotta tell you something.
What? You're walking towards me.
I'm trying to tell you something.
What?
Mama died.
No, she didn't.
She did.
You lied.
She died in the hospital.
No, Mama didn't even go to the hospital. That's how I know
What
you
she
lied.
did, she got in a car accident. She got in a car accident.
You lied.
Quit doing that. That's not funny, Destiny. How's that even funny?
Go ahead.
That's not even funny. You can get out of my house. Get out. Get out of my house.
You lied.
Like for real, get out of my house. Get your stuff and get out of my house.
I ain't gonna wake up.
You act like you don't care about my mama.
I still said I didn't care. They said she could have convinced you.
No, she's dead and you acting like you don't care.
She's not dead. Cause didn't your stepmama text you, tell her you was in critical, say she was in critical condition?
And then she texted me that she died.
How she say it then?
She said that your mom was in the hospital at St. Jude. Did she die?
No, she was in ICU.
It's the same thing.
How dying ICU?
You can get out though. Like for real, you can get out because that don't make no type of sense.
Nah, I'm straight. It's
Are you okay? What's wrong? Why you crying? No, you just said you don't care about my mama.
Okay, then I didn't say that.
Maricus, why you crying? Want me to tell you something? Guess what? We will always love mommy. And guess what? It was a prank. You just got pranked. Mama is still at the hair salon getting her hair done, getting beautiful. Cause you Bazaar Nation. This was a quick prank. And Destiny, she knocked over the doggone camera. So I'm sorry for that, y'all. But anyways, we just pranked him. He started crying so fast. I couldn't let him cry for that long. But you know, another prank coming soon. Cause you know I ain't do no pranks on here. Yeah. I can't believe he cried. No, I know he cried though. That's our mama. Of course he gonna cry. But he cried so fast. And then like how it sounded like I was crying. But y'all know.
Cause he's gonna try to kill you.
He just was crying though. Marika. But you pranked me.
Yeah, you pranked me. Remember, I pranked you in the room with Mama. Well, I got pranked over there.
You didn't even prank me. Anyways, y'all, that was the end of the video. It was a quick video. I just wanted to do something for y'all because I haven't been posting like that. But y'all know I love y'all, Zar Nation. Like, comment, subscribe. You like this video. And this is the end. So, you know.